Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to enable the Don't Do Strip mode. There is plenty way to get this. You can go from the settings and you can slide your upper bar here on the from the top, press and hold on the sound option, and here you have Don't Disturb mode. Of course you can have a silent mode if you wish to don't get any sound from the phone, but go to Don't Disturb mode and here you can already enable it. You can schedule it by time and date. Of course the schedule you can customize from your own, and you can allow interruptions from calls, favorite only everyone, contacts and no one if you don't want. Message is the same things, and you can repeat calls when they enable a second call from the same person within 3 minutes will be not silences. Yes, it's very nice option. Anyway, when you want to enable it, just tap in on it and you have already enabled Don't Disturb mode here. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.